if you're an international seller eyeing Walmart, the returns process used to be massive and expensive, but not anymore because they're implementing a new process, RSS. And it's not this one on the left. This is how it used to be, where when somebody wanted to return the product, let's say you're a US seller, you're selling in Canada, somebody wanted to return it. What they tried to do was just make sure you gave them 100% full refund and kept the item, which doesn't make any sense to anybody's business. Now they're implementing a new program, and this is called RSS. This is the Returns Shipping Service Policy. And what Walmart is doing is it allows you to use special discounted rates for return shipments. So pretty much the issue used to be return shipments would be too much money. Now you're going to get this special discounted rate that Walmart's only giving to you because you're awesome, right? So your business will be listed as the shipper. That's fine, whatever. So you kind of go through the policy, learn from it. You don't have to enroll it. You can just use like FedEx or UPS. It's going to be very expensive, but utilizing the service is going to help you expand internationally. And when a customer needs to return, you're not going to be the one that's giving them a full refund and letting them keep the item. You're getting that bad boy back. And this is what they're also doing on top of that. You're like, okay, that sounds nice, but I still have to pay for it. Well, here's the thing. They're going to inspect it. So at the RSS warehouse, they're going to inspect the inventory, bulk ship it back, and then they can even help you sell it locally in a secondary market or destroy your inventory. And this is utilizing one of Walmart's partners in order to do this at the end of the day. Of course, if they verify it's the wrong item being returned in step number 1, that's your issue, and that's your time to dispute it with Walmart so they can claw that money back from the buyer, or at least have the buyer stop selling or stop buying on Walmart again. Now, they do have solution providers, and they are going to be the go-to for getting this implemented as quickly as humanly possible, especially if you want somebody that's reviewing the inventory and reselling it for you. That's going to be some all-in-one service that will help you in the long run. So you can check out solution providers, and you can go down, check out different sellers, right? For returns, you can kind of go through different ones and then get at least 3 quotes. But the biggest one that I've seen was going to be Returns Worldwide. So if we go to Returns Worldwide, you can see Returns Worldwide offers a comprehensive suite of reverse logistics services designed to streamline returns management and enhance profitability for retail and e-commerce businesses, starting at just $6 per unit to process and get ready for reintroduction into the next step in the supply chain. This is obviously going to be more high value ticket items for $6, but if you can work with them and they're willing to do the $6 or even $5, depending on what type of business you are and how well you negotiate, that could be a win for you. They even have good, like they're reducing landfill contributions, things like that. Very nice, right? So finding a partner is going to be your next step, and make sure they are verified with Walmart. Even double check with Walmart as needed. And that's going to help you expand internationally. The big thing about international expansion has been and always will be the shipment costs, right? Getting the item over to that different country. And then if it has to be returned, getting it back, you're pretty much losing most of the money at that point. So how do you get it over, and how do you let it stay there, or at least have somebody else resell it if they need to? That's going to be your goal at the end of the day. If you really want to be the best international expander on Amazon, it is possible, but it just takes a lot of time. Like and subscribe if you are an Amazon seller, because we're giving away the best content to help you in your Amazon and your Walmart business. Now, we do specialize in Amazon and Walmart, so if you wanted to expand internationally on any of those platforms, feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the link below to schedule a call with us, or you can just send us a message. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.